Good afternoon, everybody. Be safe, be responsible. Okay, class 7th student. This is my 6th video of your chapter first from your book Honeycomb. So let's begin. Forgive me, said the bearded man in a very weak voice when he saw that the king was awake. When the particular bearded man saw that the king was now awake, and he told him to forgive him. I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you for, said the king. Actually, king was not remembered about his fault. He told him that I did not know about your fault. You do not know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you because you put my brother to death and seized my property. Actually, the particular bearded man supposed to be the king's enemy because the king punished his brother to death and take over. Seized means here to take over, and took something by force. So the king took over the property of that particular person's brother and punished him by death. That is why he wanted to take revenge from the king. I knew you. You had gone alone to see that hermit, and I made up my mind to kill you on your way to home. He told the king that he had decided to kill him. He had decided to kill the king on the way to hermit hut. But the day passed and you did not return. So I left my hiding place and I came upon your bodyguard, who recognized me and wounded me. And he told the king that when king was not returned from the hermit house, so the day passed, particular day had passed, so he decided to go and decided to go to that place and kill the king. But the bodyguard of king recognized him that he was enemy of king and make him wounded, make him injured. I escaped from him, but I should have died. I escaped. Now, who told him? The particular bearded man told king that he escaped. He escaped from the soldiers, from his bodyguards. Okay. I wish to kill you, and you have saved my life. Now, if I live, I will serve you as your most faithful servant and will order my sons to do the same. Forgive me. Now, the particular bearded man had realized his mistake and told the king to forgive him because he had realized that he had a repentance in his mind, that he wanted to kill the king, and king at the same time the particular king saved his life. The person to whom he wanted to kill the person, he had a feeling to kill him, that person saved his life. So that is why he felt very wrong, he felt very negative about himself. So that is why he told the king to forgive him. He had realized his mistake, or now he wanted to correct himself. He told the king to having a life as a servant of king, and also his sons do the same. Okay, so next paragraph in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye, students.